Hi everyone, I'm Dylan, and today I'd like to show you some interesting ways to use the blend tool in GoDaddy Studio. Now you'd use the blend tool to superimpose an image, graphic or text with the layer below it. It's tucked away at the far end of the editing tray, and you'll notice that there are several different modes like multiply, screen, overlay, and so on. And each of these affects how two different layers will combine to create a distinct result. Here are 10 of my favorite applications of the blend tool. It's important to point out that blend works on photos and videos. This means you can bring a static photograph to life by superimposing a video clip of some texture or sparkle or something abstract. Not only does it make it more eye-catching, it now counts as video content, which makes it more favorable to Instagram's algorithm and usable on platforms like TikTok. If you want to give a clean digital photograph a more retro look, try adding a texture and blending it in. You can find textured graphics in the graphics library, or use another image of sand or concrete for a similar effect. Add in a light leak graphic for an old school 35mm film photography aesthetic. This one's just a lot of fun to play around with to create unique and impactful images. Usually called the double exposure technique, you can combine two photographs for a potentially very surreal end result. Different blend modes will yield wildly different results. You'll know the right one when you see it. A more subtle application for photo edits is to add some sparkle, flare, glitter, gold, or shadow into photos. Try searching any of these terms. This could either just add some subtle magic or glamour to an image, or in the case of shadows, create a real illusion of depth and mood. You can also make clean digital design appear more tactile and physical, even grungy and distressed, using the blend tool. Try a rough paper texture to make a retro design look even more retro, or emulate the look and feel of a pasted up poster on your next poster design. The shrink wrap look is also very popular for album artwork designs. Another handy application for adding texture into a design is for the specific use case of mocking up merchandise. It's easy enough to pop your logo or design onto a t-shirt or tote bag to get a sense of what it will look like, but the blend tool creates a far more realistic illusion of the design being integrated into the material beneath it. Text can also come to life with the blend tool, creating a cutout effect that makes an image or a video appear to be behind cutout text. It's a neat hack for animating text too. It works best with an extra bold font, white text on a black background or vice versa, with your image or video on top, and then your choice of blend mode applied. There are hundreds of patterns available in GoDaddy Studio, but did you know you can create your own? Again, blend is your friend here as you play around with combining two different patterns in different modes and in different color combinations. Just an added layer of customization for you. It can be really useful and visually powerful to colorize photos. For one thing, it makes overlay text easier to read by maximizing contrast and minimizing distractions. It works best if you add a black and white filter to the image, then just pop a rectangular shape over the image, pick a color, and play around with different blend modes and different colors. A similar idea is to use a gradient graphic over an image, which can give a stock photo much more graphic impact. Going one step further with colorized photos, you could create two versions of the same image, save them out, overlay these with the blend tool, and then slightly misalign the two layers to create what's known as a duotone effect. You can try these ideas out right now by downloading the free app. All the links you need are in the description below. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.